Afternoon, everyone. I'm out here in the garden. We're doing a little update. I haven't been home in a few weeks, so it's looking really rough. But got marigolds coming in nicely. The tomatoes are coming in beautifully. I am not too thrilled about this twine I ended up doing. It ended up like, oh, it's wrapped around the plant there. Ended up like rotting out and fraying. So I gotta come up with a new trellis system. But I think I have an idea, so I'll have to get over that, get that done the next day or so. These marigolds, these ones in the center here are looking a little rough. This one's looking beautiful, coming in nicely, bushing out. I've got tons more stuff I need to throw in here, so I'm probably just going to throw the rest of the marigolds in the beds. Some basil right there, that's doing alright. Again, I need to trim everything up here. Catnip, we got some nice big leaves growing in well, I need to trim it up. We've got some weeds here I need to pull out. But I will do a whole video on that. Right now I'm just giving you guys an update. Beautiful flower heads on these like onions. Now I got a lot of green onions from these last year, so I'm just gonna let them flower and do their thing this year. Got my basil starting to flower, so I need to pick this all off. It's gonna be a good taste test though. It's pretty good. I think that's a lemon basil. It's not tasting very lemony right now. Probably because I let it go flower when I've been gone. Stevia's really great. I just tasted this a second ago, but grows in more. I almost picked up another one today. Over here we got more catnip. My rosemary's finally starting to grow in. It smells amazing. Another weed here. Green onion. And these are both weeds. They don't have a nice deep root system. They just popped up out of nowhere. That one did actually. And then this is also a weed. I feel like I had more stuff in here, but I've got some more stuff to put in here. But again, this is doing absolutely amazing. I'm super happy with my thyme bush. It's really settled in this new bed well. Over here, my seedlings didn't make it. Well, most of them. Got a little bit of chives here. My oregano didn't make it. I've been gone for like almost 2 weeks. We've had really hot days. But in the back here, some stuff is looking very rough. But there's still some good plants in here. So I gotta get these out, get these in the beds ASAP before they die and get diseased. But got some watermelons that survived still. Yeah, everything's looking a little rough. Out here we got some peppers and stuff that survived, scotch bonnets and all that. I really need to get those going, like into bigger pots. One of my white sage, gotta get this in the bed ASAP. I'm so happy that survived. Jalapenos, more thyme here. Can probably put that in one of the beds. The in-ground garden here is doing pretty well. I already got little jalapenos forming on this pepper plant. Again, I didn't really do this all in a timely manner, so it is in a rough shape. Like my dill is flowering here, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing. There's a caterpillar on here. I'm not sure what kind of caterpillar that is. It's crazy. Cilantro's flowering. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. This dill is looking pretty good though. Parsley here. Giant slugs. I need to come through and pick off all these slugs. We got some zinnias and snapdragons here. More slugs. But they're all in rough shape again. I really need to do something about these. And then these marigolds are also in rough shape, but I'll throw them out in the beds as well. Just see if they do well. Come back maybe. Yeah, but that's about it for an update. Actually, it's not. This is the onion bed. It's doing pretty alright. Probably needs a good watering. It's a little moist. Probably needs a good watering though. These are looking a little lanky and they're starting to bend over a little bit. I'm not entirely sure what to do about that. But I'm just going to let them do their thing and hopefully they plump up and keep going. But they're all sprouted up. Got my dandelion over here. I've kept this and it's just been chilling. And then just some other tree right here, actually. I think this is a tree with ash. That's cool. I love when random trees pop up. Just some random stuff popping up. That's about it, honestly. A lot of work needs to be done in the garden. Got the camera up here to record a video. I'm thinking about throwing I got two new, let's see. What'd I get? I got a pineapple sage and a new tomato to put right here. So I need to come up with a new trellis system. I'm still gonna trellis off the top here, but I'll probably put a stake in the bed or a board going across. I've seen shout out James Pergioni over on YouTube. Check him out. He's awesome. He does in his beds. He does something like this, but he connects the rope to a board going across. So I think I'll take some scrap wood or maybe some. Yeah, I've got some scrap wood all around here, and there's a staple gun upstairs I can use now. So I'll put lemon. I didn't get lemon boy. I got yellow pear, a yellow pear tomato. They'll go right here. All the rest are San Marzanos, but got the yellow pear today as a replacement for the spot. I got to trim all these guys up, really get them growing up a single leader here, and I'll probably get those long sticks and get them kind of placed out here. Fill out the rest of the bed. This marigold's doing extremely well. This is my best marigold yet. It's just a random marigold seed I had in a random packet. So I'm very excited to see how this does. It's starting to flower here. So all right. Well, that's going to be it for this update video. I'm going to get this out as soon as possible. Gotta continue working the garden, so thank you guys. Thank you for all the support you guys have been showing in my shorts, and all my friends and family showing a lot of support. It means a lot. And hopefully I get this garden nailed out soon, and it's already starting to fill out. I see a lot of progress, and it really needs some love and care because I've been neglecting it. So have an amazing day. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.